Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mike Water, and this is the Radical Academy, and welcome to this channel. So, in this video, we are going to talk about organic chemistry. So, the majority of you have had challenges in understanding what organic chemistry is all about. So, in this video, I'm going to explain and simplify what organic chemistry is all about. So, what I'm asking from you is that you pay so much attention to the details and also make sure that you understand. If you have not understood, if you're not going to understand, you can rewind this video. Okay. However, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as like, so that whenever I release or post this kind of the video, you'll be the very first person to like and see that we have posted, that the Radical Academy has posted the video about any subject. Okay, so now let us dive into this wonderful topic and a very beautiful topic. Okay, so now organic chemistry is simply the study of both biological and chemical substance. Okay, now the notion or the concept behind organic chemistry is just, of course, to help us understand that when you're dealing with the compounds that are in nature biochemically, compounds, we are dealing with something that can be found in a living organism. Okay, the majority of you, if you do remember properly your chemistry under acid, bases, and salt, you learned that there are different types of acid. Okay, there's organic acid, there's also mineral acid. Okay, now just to help you understand and remind you about organic acid, is that these are acids that organic, that are found in animals. It can be in plants, for example. Okay, now what you have to understand about organic chemistry is that what is the main concept behind organic chemistry is that we first of all have to understand what is found in these organic compounds, or what is the main driving force behind this topic, organic chemistry. Now I want to emphasize to you that there is a very special element or atom that we have to understand about, and this atom is so common, but no one has actually paid attention to why it is common and so useful when it comes to organic chemistry. And this substance, or rather this element or atom, is called carbon. Again, the majority of you who have been to junior secondary school, you did your history and you came across the idea that back in the days when you have to understand the origin of something. Okay, when those archaeologists, okay, were discovering the ancient remains. Okay, they were using the carbon dating machine to understand how long that dead or fossil fuel has actually lived in the earth, ground. So there's a carbon behind that. Okay, so most of you are doing business, and you see that whenever you're trying to make a receipt or anything that you want to keep a duplicate of the same thing, so that the original copy is given to the customer, and you as a seller, you remain with a duplicate. Okay, so the science behind that is carbonating these document. Okay, so you keep record. Okay, so the idea of that technology is as a result of the most important substance or atom called carbon. Now, in general, carbon is so important, okay, such that in the whole topic, this element atom is going to appear in all the biochemical substances that we are going to deal with, okay, or talk about. Okay, now just to give you also a periodic table background about carbon. Okay, so when you look at carbon, carbon is an element with a proton number 6. And if we can also try to configure this number 6, we'll discover that it is 2, 4. Okay. Now, most of you have done this before in your chemistry grade 10. Okay, so this is what is called electronic configuration of elements or atoms. Okay, so if you want to learn more about this electronic configuration, you can also check out my YouTube video, which I did last year about just that. Then it can also help you to understand what I'm talking about. But anyway, 2, 4, these are the shared, or should I say configured electrons. Okay, so the first shell has got 2 electrons, and then the second shell has got 4 electrons. Now, what is much more important to understand about carbon is that because of this number 4. The number 4 is very cardinal, because obviously you and I, we know that the last number, when you